Leg and foot cramps, often called Charley horses, can unexpectedly disrupt daily activities or sleep. To alleviate them, immediately massage the affected muscle for 3 to 4 minutes using fingertips, knuckles, or an ice pack for added relief. Stretching the cramped area for 1 to 2 minutes is also effective. Specific stretches are recommended for calf, thigh, and foot cramps. Other home remedies include taking a hot shower or Epsom salt bath, elevating the affected area, or applying heat followed by ice. To prevent future cramps, consistently stretch before exercise or sleep. Stay well hydrated throughout the day, aiming for 12 to 15 cups of water, and ensure adequate daily intake of potassium, around 4,700 milligrams, calcium, about 1,000 milligrams, and magnesium, 200 to 400 milligrams, either through diet or supplements.